Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to a groundbreaking vision for mariculture farming the ocean's riches sustainably while shielding marine life. Unveiled in a February 19th, 2025 study from Nature, Ecology and Evolution, led by the University of Michigan's Ma, this research maps a future where seafood production could soar, bivalves by 2.36 times, finfish by 1.82 times, yet slash environmental harm by up to 30.5% through clever planning. With seafood demand climbing, the UN FAO notes over 3 billion people rely on it for protein, and mariculture already doubling output since 2000, the stakes are oceanic in scale. Spanning 20,013 species and climate scenarios, this global collaboration offers hope and a challenge to balance human need with nature's pulse. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. Humanity stands poised to harvest greater bounty from the oceans, amplifying seafood yields to nourish the globe, all while trimming the shadow mariculture casts over marine biodiversity. What's the secret behind this balancing act? Strategic foresight holds the key, asserts new research spearheaded by the University of Michigan. Ma, who guided this exploration as a postdoctoral scholar at the School for Environment and Sustainability, declares with conviction, "Sustainable mariculture lies within our grasp." Through meticulous planning, he explains, we can safeguard marine creatures and still satisfy the swelling global appetite for cultivated seafood by 2050. Mariculture, that oceanic cousin of aquaculture, raising saltwater delicacies, already supplied roughly 1/5 of fisheries' bounty in 2020, a vital protein lifeline for billions worldwide. Yet demand surges ever upward. To match this hunger, mariculture expands swiftly, a tide Ma and his global cadre of scientists sought to chart. Their tool? A robust model peering into the fates of over 20,013 marine fauna species impacted by mariculture's reach. This framework, a crystal ball of sorts, gauged today's toll in 2020 and cast predictions toward 2050 across diverse futures. Scenarios shifted with choices, where farms sprout what species thrive. Climate's hand played its part too, under pathways RCP 4.5 and 8.5, warming, and emissions painting distinct backdrops. Imagine the triumph of the best-case vision. Farms bloom in havens of least harm, and the numbers dazzle. Bivalve output could leap 2.36-fold. Finfish, 1.82-fold, projections to meet humanity's call. Yet global mariculture's footprint might shrink by as much as 30.5%, Ma reveals, a beacon of hope shimmering through. Contrast that with the abyss of the worst-case path. Should farms rise in biodiversity's most fragile sanctuaries, the damage soars, over 4 times graver than a haphazard scatter, a stark warning etched in data. Neil Carter, UM's senior voice in this symphony, underscores the urgency of strategy. We must weave wisdom from myriad realms, he urges, an associate professor blending environment and sustainability. Climate science, economics, marine yields, these threads drawn from afar knit our forecasts. A chorus of minds joined this quest. Voices from the University of Washington, Germany's University of Freiburg, Japan's Hokkaido University, and UC Santa Barbara. Benjamin Halpern, a UCSB professor and director of the National Center for Ecological Analysis and Synthesis, reflects on the toil. Such sprawling collaboration tests us, he admits, yet the harvest is vast questions tackled ocean patch by ocean patch, rippling through science and society. Challenges abound in this grand tapestry, yet the rewards shine bright, Halpern muses, a veteran of such ventures. Ma and Carter see this as a bold first stride toward mariculture's green horizon, their model a living thing hungry for fresher data to sharpen its gaze. No universal blueprint exists, the research whispers. Opportunities twist and turn. A South Pacific reef dances to a different rhythm than France's coastal fringe. Even the brightest scenarios carry shadows. Whales, seals, sea lions, majestic sentinels of the deep, felt mariculture's sting across every path studied. Still grasping these trade-offs arms us with foresight, Carter proclaims, "Growth need not doom nature in equal measure," he insists. The scales can tip toward harmony. What lies ahead? bridging policymakers and communities, a dialogue to wield these insights, to cradle biodiversity amid the swell. Funded by the School for Environment and Sustainability and the Institute for Global Change Biology, this work beckons refinement. A question lingers, potent and poised. Can we steer this ship to sustain both plate and planet? To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.